Well, hello, designers, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney. And as always, welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. Now, if this is your first time here, you love this content, click that subscribe button, turn on your bell ringer, and you should not be missing anything. In this tutorial, I was showing you all how you can take a rosette tablecloth and use it for a backdrop if you're having a very simplistic event. Now, I love it when things like this happen. The bottom of my cocktail glass came loose. That's totally fine because we're going to make a organizer. That's what we're going to do. Something different than what everybody else has. So that's what's the exciting part about it. These are the cocktail glasses that I used. And like I said, I love it when stuff like this happen because we can make our own unique designs. Now, that's the background story about the cocktail glasses. Let's move forward. Now, I have used this stone in many videos. So this is what we're going to do. Take this right here, the bottom of that cocktail glass, and we're just going to adhere it to this stone. Now, this is all I'm going to do. I already placed the hot glue in the center of my stone, okay? Now, we're just going to place that on the top. That's all I did, my friends. Beautiful. I want you all to think outside the box. So many things that you may have that hey, I'm gonna throw this out, I'm gonna throw that out. As being a designer, you all can come up with some fabulous designs that, if you think about it, other people do not have. Now it's time for us to pull out our Dollar Tree candle holder. Let me pull my sleeves up, okay? Sorry about that, everyone. I am going to place this on top of it, okay? But I'm going to do a few things and tell you a few things as well. Look at that. It's a little tilted and I do not like that. Here is an up close shot. See, it's kind of slanted over, so therefore we're going to have to design it in a way where the top can actually hold on there. Like have a really good grip. Now, while I'm placing this to the side, I want to give a shout out to Miss Wanda and also Twinkie for our 2 winners for the month of December. So congratulations, Twinkie. You are the second winner. All right, so we're going to go ahead and finish this on up. Now, I'm going to be using a brooch. And I'm using this brooch is because, watch, I'm going to show you. It fits so well. Look at that. Right there, my friends, so lovely. And also the way I'm going to be doing this design, and we're going to also focus on the top rim of that glass as well because we want it to have a good grip. Using a brooch is totally optional, but the way I'm going to do this design, I chose to use it. And let me show you an up close shot of it. Here we go, my friends. There's the brooch. And here is how it looks on the actual top. It's beautiful, isn't it? I like it. So you guys tell me what you think about it. Very simple, not over the top this time. So like I told you before, make sure that whatever bling you use, okay, has adhesive on the back. You can see how it grips really good. So that's what's important. You do not want this to tip over at all. So that's why I keep taking it and placing it up and down, so you can see that it's gripped very well. Okay, next, let's make a centerpiece. Now these risers, I know many of you have got these risers from our store. We only have like 1 left. However, I'm going to give you guys another alternative you can use. Now, if you have a mat, not a Dollar Tree mat, my friends, or I don't even know if they have some like this, but get a mat that has a very good grip at the bottom. And I have an iCard right there on this design that I did. Now, you can split it horizontal or vertical. These actually come from the Dollar Tree, these candle holders. So envision this, catch this vision. If you use 3 of these actual Dollar Tree candle holders right there from the Dollar Tree, you can place this on top. Very, very simple, quick, and fast if you want to use it for a centerpiece for your event. Very beautiful. So I'm going to place this right here on the side like a rose. Now take the vision, everyone, take the vision. So if you place a rose on the side of it, and I'm going to remove the actual top off of this design. Now take that vision, okay, my friends? That's all you have to do. You got your own floral on there, your own beautiful design made, and you are totally finished and ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if this is your first time, we would love to have you, only if you love this content, and we really hope that you guys do. And guess what? I will see you all in the next one. Blessings. Bye.